This is an unboxing of a Western Digital MyBook Duo 28TB drive. Yeah, what is it?
Go in the video.
Will it be in the video? Alright,
Yeah.
stand there then. Here we have a little helper with us. Okay, so exactly what we get in the box. This cost me £550, just delivered today from Amazon. Link in the description. 28TB external drive. Let's see what we get in the box. I bought Western Digital drive before, but not a 28TB. They're usually 8TB. I've got lots of 8TB drives. I use them for external storage, not permanently connected. This will be more permanently connected, but I will give it downtime because they do tend to get hot if just left completely on. But you supposedly can take the top off to cool them. Anyway, let's see what we get in the box. What do we get in the box? Where's the lighter? How do you open it? Help me. Oh yeah, wait,
There's a handle.
Oh, it just flips up. There we go. So it flips up backwards. That's it. This is what we get in the box. £550. That's expensive for an external. You get a warranty card. Hello.
Wait, does it say hello?
Yeah, it said hello and anything like
Oh,
that.
hello.
Yeah, oh, and then we can slide the drive out. Move the box. Yeah. And that is what we get. Give me the box, there's all the stuff in there. So put that there. There's another little box in the box, nothing else.
A box in a box.
Yeah, we got a box that presumably has got the power supply. Should be 12 volt if it's same as the others. 12 volt, I think, the 2 amp. Yes, we got cable. Oh, it's USB-C cable. That's an upgrade from the previous. All those SATA type cables. USB to SATA, got a power plug. Yeah, 2-prong. Positive, negative, no ground. Got some more cables. We got a USB-C to a USB-C cable. So that's a USB 3 to a USB-C. So this will probably be most useful for me. And we got a 2-prong, probably European, yeah, maybe. I thought they used 3 prongs anyway. We got that, and then we got the actual adapter. We got something else here, don't we?
What's that?
Let's have a look.
Oh, that's how you put it up.
And we have the actual power supply. So I can't read it without my glasses. But it should be 12 volt if it's like the others. Yeah, so that's what you get. You get a lot of cables, and you got a little hook in here. I think this is to open the top. A little instruction manual. Yeah, you got a little like a puck, so you can pry up the lid off. And a little instruction manual shows you how to open the top. Yeah. So you insert it, and you can leave it off the top. And then pull out the drives. Let's have a look what we've got. What drives did we get?
What drive? What help you got?
Yeah, it's in here. This is the top. Not sure which way up. Oh, that's the bottom. It's one way down.
It's red.
Yeah, guys.
Is it all red?
The box out of the way, I can see you. Okay, so this is, it's got rubber feet. That's good. There's no movement. As you saw when I tried to switch it. It's got 4 rubber feet. Yeah, it's got a, want to peel off the plastic.
Me?
Yeah. It's got plastic covering. Yeah, let me get the corner. There Yeah, you got the peeling it off. Whoa, that's a nice sound. Let's zoom in a little bit now. There we go. That's better, you can see it better now.
Okay. It looks so shiny. It looks like a mirror actually.
Yeah, it's a mirror.
I can see myself talking in the mirror.
So that's the actual drive. Yeah, it's got 2 reds in it supposedly. Let's open it up.
Wait.
How do you open it? Yeah, with the puck. Okay, oh yeah, it collects fingerprints very easily. Oh, just touch the top.
Wait, can I get my fingerprint?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So now let's open it and see what's inside. Well, you put it according to that image. Let's have a look. Let's see what we've got in here. What drives have we got? Okay, there's a little prise the lid. So just put it in and prise the lid open. Okay, let's have a look. Yeah, put that in. There it goes in. And the lid. Whoa! And we have 2 drives in there. Are they Western Digital Reds? Right then, how do they come out? It's got a little switch here. Right, what's the reverse say? How do you get these out? Push the lever down. So one like.
Should I try?
No, you should not try.
Okay.
How do you get them out there? You poke it up and then you pull them out. Yeah, so how do I pull them out then? Yeah, that's what it looks like inside.
It's a fingerprint.
Don't seem to be budgie. Okay, so that's what it looks like inside. Don't seem to be budging. It's got little levers there. Push it. What do they do? Oh. Okay, so they on the sides they click into the metal bracket. So I need to push them in quite far, yeah, and then can't get it out. I'm gonna break it. Alright, yeah. Obviously not going to power on. Anyway, what's at the front? We've got USB-C, 2 USB 3s and the power. And we've got a little indicator there. What's that? Is that a lock? Oh, it's a lock, not an indicator. So locks, you can lock it with the, one of those T devices, probably metal in there. Underneath, serial number. That's it. I'm not sure how you get the drive out. Obviously it's not powered up. You're supposed to lift them out. Drives are in there. They're labelled 1 and 2. They're in a little bracket. Let's try and pull the second one out.
Basically, it's not for the switch on.
Oh, here we go. That's the first drive out. Whoa, it's a 14 terabyte. Western Digital. Oh, I'm only kidding. Western Digital. It's a Western Digital. Digital WD141 FFX 14 terabyte NASWare 3. That's one drive. Yeah, you can go play with it. Yeah, I'm only kidding.
I was so confused why you do it to me.
Yeah, now let's pull the other one out. This one I have a problem with.
But you said to not pull.
Okay, there's a little. Why is that one? Let's have a look. There is a little lip, if you can see, on the end that's preventing the first one coming out. So I pull it and pull it this way. No, it's not coming out.
It's not.
There we go. And that's the second one. 2 Western Digital Reds. And these cost, normally what is it, 300, currently they're £350 each. So that's £360 each, I think. So £720 in drives. I just remember which is which, or they labelled them. What they labelled them, yeah.
Yeah, this is goes
One.
there. That one goes there, that one goes there. So that one goes there, this one goes there, remember.
Okay, so that's the second, that's the first one. They label them so you don't get them mixed up. Obviously going to be an issue if you got a RAID. So now I'm going to put them in, we're going to plug them into the computer and see how they perform. But that's the unboxing. Unit slots, straightforward. I'm probably going to use them with the lid off. Because this lid has got no vents, so it's not surprising it gets hot. With this on, so where's the fan blowing? Is it pulling? Where's the fan? I don't get this fan bit. It's got a fan there, yeah? So is it pulling air out? Blowing air in? If it's blowing air in, where's it going out?
It's blowing it out.
Because there's nowhere to go. Only at the bottom. There's vents at... There's some vents at the bottom, but not much.
See the vent.
So you got the air. I presume it's pulling air out.
Me too.
That would make more sense. So his air is coming in through the bottom, but it hasn't got much height. Yeah, then it's pulling air out. Yeah, but the drive will get very hot. This is completely, I suppose you could drill some holes in this. Yeah, if it doesn't break, if it's not brittle, slowly drill some holes in this to create some vents, especially near over there. You'll pull air. You want to get the hot air out. Hot air rises, so it's pulling hot air and hot air rising out. It needs some vents in this, so either leave it off or drill some holes towards this end. Yeah, you want this end covered, so basically you want it something like this to cool it. This end covered so you can pull the air in. If the fan's sucking air out, you want to pull air in or let heat escape as well. I'm just going to leave it off. Yeah. We'll test the temperatures with it on and off. Anyway, that's the unboxing, what you get. Yes, it looks good. At least the Western Digital Reds. So the drives are worth at least £700. You got a little hello warranty.
Why did it do that?
Just say hello. That's the unboxing. What you get in the Western Digital MyBook Duo 28 terabyte drive. I would have got a 36 terabyte, but they're never in stock. I don't think they make them. But 28 terabytes should be enough as an upgrade to my system. Do subscribe for the next video when we test it.
Test it.
How do you put this back on?
Go in the holes. Wait, where are all the holes? It's on
It goes this way.
Yeah.
Yeah, it goes this way.
There's only one hole.
No, it shouldn't. Yeah. There we go. Back on. That's the Western disco. There's the puck.
Book. Yeah.
Puck.
Book right here.
The little square thing. The puck. Oh, it is.
What's book?
Yeah, it's black so you can't see it. Yeah. That's how you break your Western digital drive.
No. It's not how you make it. I just forgot.
Do check out the next video in this series. A lot of fingerprints marked now on it. Look, on the edit, just open it. Look at how many marks it's got on it.
From you and me.
Very. That's another reason to leave it off. You're gonna get tons of marks. They're not gonna fall out. They lock in, so that's good. I'll test it with and without. Thank you, Liza. You can go now.
Okay.
You're a good reviewer.